Buckle up as we dive straight into a tense courtroom moment. Meet Janetta Pugh, far from an average defendant. Confusion erupts almost instantly as the judge struggles to understand her claims, setting the stage for a chaotic and gripping legal exchange.
Good morning. Are you Janetta Pugh?
I am the beneficiary of the estate.
You're the what?
I'm the beneficiary of the estate.
You're the beneficiary of what estate? Answer my questions, please, ma'am. I'm just trying to understand.
Beneficiary of the estate.
Okay. What's the announcement?
Judge.
Now this part is huge. The judge focuses on representation because in criminal cases your lawyer can make or break everything. Here's the twist. Janetta's family claims they hire an attorney, yet no one has heard from him at all. That's the first major red flag.
It's my understanding that Ms. Pugh and her family has retained an attorney on this matter. I don't know if you remember, Judge, when I was originally appointed on, and we were on the trial docket. She hired a new attorney at that point. Mr. Norwood, who was on the case for a while, and then withdrew. And once recently, when the case came back to me, I visited her and I was told that they did retain another attorney. I was given the name of Christopher Wiley this morning, but I have not heard from him. And my understanding is that at this point still hasn't filed anything with the court.
Okay.
But I've been told that that's who's supposed to be taking over the case.
Okay.
For the record, I recognize Ms. Pugh. She's been here before.
I do as well, for the record.
And I looked.
The court can't even locate the attorney, like arriving at a boxing match and realizing your coach doesn't exist. Tension begins to simmer because without an actual lawyer officially on record, Janetta is left stuck in legal limbo, unsure who truly represents her.
Looked into Mr. Christopher Wiley. I can't find that person as a practicing lawyer in the state bar page, and I have not been contacted by anybody on Ms. Pugh's behalf.
All right, so Ms. Pugh, Mr. Lewis has been appointed to represent you at this point. Obviously, you know as well as anyone that you're in custody and we want to get your case taken care of. If you've hired or your family has hired another lawyer, then they have to contact the court so that we can do something with your case. And do you know if they've hired someone?
Respectfully, Your Honor, I do not agree.
Things spiral quickly as Janetta leans into what sounds like a sovereign citizen argument, calling court-appointed lawyers foreign agents and claiming conflict of interest. The reality is simple. Court-appointed attorneys represent the defendant, not the state. The judge knows this, and patience is clearly wearing thin inside the tense courtroom exchange unfolding now.
With your appointed foreign agents, considering that the first duty is to the state and will be considered conflict of interest, Your Honor.
Okay, so if you don't want, the only thing I can do, I'm appointing an attorney to you to help you, right? So if you don't want a court-appointed attorney, then your only option, two things. One is to represent yourself or to hire a lawyer. So if you don't like the way it works, then you do something different. So are you, listen to what I'm saying. Are you either going to represent yourself, or are you going to let Mr. Lewis represent you, or are you going to hire someone?
Objection, Your Honor. Respectfully, is this a court of record?
It is a court of record. So your objection's overruled.
Okay. Respectfully, Your Honor, where is the verified claim that is being placed against my trust?
It's right here. It's called an indictment.
There it is. The judge delivers a legal hammer. When Janetta demands a verified claim against her trust, the response comes with pure law school clarity. It's called an indictment. Translation: this is not a civil trust matter. It's a criminal charge, a textbook clash between legal reality and legal fantasy unfolding in real time.
And Mr. Lewis has a copy of it, and he can show it to you. So that would be the verified claim against you.
Okay. Your Honor, respectfully, Your Honor, there were writs that was filed to the case that still haven't been received.
I've received your petition for writ of habeas corpus, and it's denied.
Okay. Respectfully, Your Honor, I demand to be released due to lack of evidence of stated claim and not being given the proper opportunity to obtain proper counsel, defective defense.
It's overruled.
Okay.
You're running out, aren't you?
No, it's fine.
So here's the thing, Miss Pugh. I appreciate your position, but listen,
Respectfully, Your Honor,
Miss Pugh, don't speak over me.
Respectfully, Your Honor, with my incorporation-
Oh, this is a breaking point. You can feel the courtroom heat rise as the judge firmly takes control. Pro tip: saying respectfully before interrupting a judge does not make it respectful, just like saying no offense before something offensive. At this moment, the judge offers one final choice: hire a real lawyer, represent yourself, or face the consequences.
Miss Pugh, just because you say respectfully does not mean that you get to interrupt me. That's disrespectful, right? Hang on, listen to me. Everything you have there is overruled. And here's one of the reasons why, is because you have a lawyer. And your lawyer will file the appropriate motion. You're interrupting me again, which is disrespectful. So I'm going to leave Mr. Lewis as your attorney unless you choose to represent yourself or hire someone else. I'm going to give you 2 weeks to determine what you're going to do. You can go back. You can go back with the bailiff.
I will not agree or comply to your appointed
Go back.
agents.
You already said that, and that's overruled.
Duty is to the state.
Go back with the bailiff. Get your own attorney or represent yourself if you don't like it.